Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and today we're on board our in-stock here at City Island Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless. This boat's got everything you need and nothing you don't. One of the cool options on this boat is it has the same rear platform as the Dauntless Pro without the tower. What that gives you, huge live well right in the center of the boat to accompany your second one underneath the helm seat. It is right here. And a third one forward. This boat's got a lot of insulated storage, and it's got really nice backrests. Cushions go on top of both your storage compartments here. Just phenomenally strong hatches. It's good to fish. It's good for the family. You got a 300 Mercury 4-stroke V8 on the back. That's the new one. It's got power steering, digital everything. It's awesome. Of course, you're going to see all those controls right here at the helm. Digital throttle and shift. Power steering for Mercury, your gauges are there. This boat came from the factory with Lenco electronic tabs with indicators, and it's got the Fusion stereo in it. We'll put electronics here at the dealer. You're a Simrad guy, you're a Raymarine guy, we'll take care of you. That's what we do. Of course, she's got a phenomenal canvas hardtop, all powder coated, keeps the sun off you, the wife, the children if you've got them. Let's jump forward and check a couple of more things out. This is that forward seat and live well that I mentioned that's in the front of the boat on this one, a third live well. This is really a boat for the serious fishing guy. Incredible rod holders right there, but in a tip of the hat to the family, you've got a phenomenal lounger on the front. Before I lose you, I'm gonna show you one thing that Boston Whaler does. See these loungers right here, they're built right into the top of the hatch. So while you have a lounger, you don't lose any of the space in your absolutely gargantuan hatch. And when I tell you it's gargantuan, folks, I mean, seriously, it is incredibly sized. A little hard to see on camera, but the hatch is about 6 feet long, goes front to rear. Insulated, drained, gives you absolutely everything you need on this boat. Center hatch is more storage for you. This is a boat that, like I said, does everything you need and nothing you don't. The family, the fishing. This is Boston Whalers 2019 240 Dauntless. We got it here in Sarasota. I'm Jeremiah. We'll talk to you soon.